Welcome to a recipe for rice and beans in Botswana. First we cook half a cup of rice with 1 cup of water for around 30 to 40 minutes. Here we see the quantity of vegetables we are going to cut and also half a tomato. We only cut half of the quantity. For the beans, rather, we cook them for 40 to 50 minutes, depending on the type of beans you are going to use. Or we take the canned beans. It's important to check that there is no added sugar. We start to fry the onion in a frying pan. We don't need to add oil. If it gets stick to the pan, we can add some water. After cooking for around 5 minutes, we can add the paprika and the leek. And once they are a little bit soft, we add the rice and on top the tomato. We let it cook for a couple of more minutes. We add 2 tablespoons of curry spices. And the beans, around half a cup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and that's it. We can serve the plate. On top we add some toasted sesame seeds. Enjoy!